How to use original audio in Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can use original audio in Instagram Reels. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump back right into it. First step, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you open it up, let's head back, swipe right, and you can start creating a reel. So let me record a video on the reel option right here. And after you've recorded a video, and if you have added a music in it, what you can do to use your original audio is, if you have already added a music, let me tap on the music icon. And let's say I've added this song right here. So after you've already added a music on your reel, but if you still want to use your original audio, it's quite simple. So if you head over to this side, tap on the edit button, you will find the clip audio. Make sure it's all the way up. If you reduce it, your original audio will get slowed down. And if you increase the audio to the max, you will be able to hear yourself. So keep that in mind. And after you've done that, you can then go back. And instead of using the music, you can remove the music if you want to use your original audio only. So tap on the music icon here. And after you've done that, you can see your added music. So you can, let me just go back. You can see the music right here. So all you have to do is drag it and drag it to the delete option right below. Do that and the music will be removed and you'll have your original audio in your Instagram reel back. Now you can tap on the next button and then go ahead with the uploading. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use your original audio in Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.